Distribution of 1 crore enumeration forms in the state of Kerala. The booth level officers have done extremely well to achieve this milestone, and moving forward we intend to distribute the remaining enumeration forms maybe in the next 4 or 5 days, and then probably retrieve all the filled forms by 25th of November, as we have kept a target for ourselves. The booth level officers have been tirelessly working day and night as part of our program to reach out to people during the night as well. They've been able to do that. So what we have found in Kerala is when we go and distribute the forms, there are a lot of questions that people have about how to fill the form and what are the kind of documents that are needed, or is it needed or not. I mean, a lot of discussions happen around that for a booth level officer, due to which it becomes part of the mandate of the booth level officer to engage in such discussions, because ultimately the intent is to make people aware about the entire process, and if there are any doubts or any clarifications needed, it is the mandate of the BLO to provide those clarifications as well. So we have found that a lot of discussions like this are happening when our BLOs visit the homes, even at night times, and that's the kind of feedback that we've received, which has probably reduced the speed of distribution of forms. So what we have done consciously is addressing all of that concerns of people, or giving clarifications to various questions that they may have. We've also tried to push our enumeration numbers up, which we have seen today, and that is what our booth level officers have done, and they have been extremely well supported by people, by our EROs and district collectors as well. They have also gone to the field. They are going around with the booth level officers to understand any of the issues they may be facing on the field. So that's a very coordinated effort that we are able to see. And like we all have been working from the beginning with one particular intention, which is to ensure that we celebrate the entire SIR, clear all the doubts people may have regarding SIR, and basically enjoy the entire process and create as much as possible the bonds which will ultimately help us to reach out to them during our next phase, which would be as part of the election. When we are very close to the assembly elections, we can also reach out to them and promote our voting percentages also, in a sense which we will be able to reach out to them in a bigger way than we've done before, so that our percentage of voting also would be increased in the days to come.